guys, happy Friday night. You know guys, Santa send a gift again. Cross arms. Sabi ko sa iyo, kung mabait ka, Major Mark mabait yan, nagpapadala ng ano yung pagkain. Major Mark, thank you ha. Hayaan mo, malapit na, I will tell Santa, mag-deliver din sa iyo dyan sa inyo. Major Renato Samson, hello! Hi! Ring, ako na lang nagawa ng light oh. Hindi, it's okay. Darating tayo dyan. Lieutenant Edwin Dutran, hello, Dwayne, hello. Happy birthday, belated happy birthday. Birthday mo pala. Hayaan mo na. May gift isa, may gift ka kay Santa. Aray ko ka. May gift ka kay Santa. Ayan o. Yun. Kanto lang ako niya. Dwayne. This time. Give Happy Coach, you know, and Kilos Boys, our founder, Kilos Boys, Ninyo, may inaanak ninyo, Rodriguez, welcome back. Sige, bago ka umalis, mag-kiss ko muna kay Ninong ha. Ninyo, bago ka umalis, kiss mo na kay Ninong, okay? Ninyo, mabait to, batang to. Gian! Panuhapon na si Ninyo. Danilo, Michelangelo. Grabe, hintay namin sa inyo. Yeah, Michelangelo, okay lang na Pain City. Pero Danilo, ikaw ah. Guys, ito na guys. Oh. From Santa. Thank you, Santa. Outerzone.ie. Open the website. Santa is there. Santa Conrad. Thank you. Guys, open natin to guys. We'll open this. One gift Santa. This is Amoeba AM007. Oh, parang James Bond. Pero hindi itong Amoeba na ano iba yun. That is a different Amoeba. This one is nice. Whoop. As usual, we have and then the package. Plastic po. Plastic pa. What the heck? The grip, guys, the grip. Check the other website. Kung magkano ang grip. How much is the grip? This one is free. It comes with the gun. The best magazine. And the gun itself. Hindi the English yun. Naka-plastic po. Okay yan po. Your mark, type mo. Cross arms, iba talaga po mabait. Yun! May itikit po, itikita. The best. Shit.
Investing your hard-earned money can be extremely overwhelming. And some may even say it's about as fun as watching paint dry.
Daming advertisement. Yun! The meal! Here we come! Regards to all up there in the north. We'll see you soon. Guys, be good ha. Sometimes looking, you know. Very hungry. Very hungry. Sturdy. Amoeba. battery hop-up. Yun. Programmable trigger unit. Trigger, whatever is inside here. You can program this to 2 bars, 3 bars, whatever bars you like. This one. Look at the trigger guys. Yun. But guys, before you program this, you need to buy the programmable unit. So, do not be, what you call that in English? Do not be excited. Other guns, you can program it through the trigger here. But this one, this is a unique. Unique. You need to buy another separate programmable thing, and then ano ba yun? You will just isaksak mo dito yung drive natin. This one guys, oh, electronic programmer. There. You need to buy this electronic programmer so you can program the trigger into how many bars you like. 2 bars, 3 bars, 4 bars, 5 bars, or binary. But you need to buy that. So it doesn't mean if you buy this you can program. No, you need to buy, you know. But it's okay. We will use single shot. Anong indoor eh. I don't care. Right guys. So if you don't like this one, there's also another black. You know. Another muscle. Glass compressor. You can change it. But it's okay. I like this one. Yes. Let's see. Yo! The best! And guys, check out the battery compartment, guys. What the heck? You can put anything, any size of battery. Best. And QD, ready for QD string, but we don't have QD. But we can get some QD. I have QD. Best. Then you put this one. Great. Best. Amoeba AM007 from OutdoorZone.ie. But this is from Aris. Yes. But from OutdoorZone.ie. You know. From OutdoorZone. So that's it. Amoeba. Rotary up guys. Best. Very small. Compact. Pang cornering yan. Pang cornering to, pang cornering. The best. So guys, visit OutdoorZone.ie. You know, open the website. Thank you. The best. So we have a test fire, okay?